Guys, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. It was a really good day today for the market. Finally, right? We're starting to get over this whole debt ceiling drama. Next, we'll have the Fed, but it was good. And like I said in other videos before, I don't really care about the Fed rate hikes because they've been going on for 14 months. The market knows them. And there's plenty of stocks that throughout those 14 months, plenty have been going up and are higher than what they were 6 months ago and so on. So the Fed rate hike doesn't really affect most of the stocks, or I should take that back. It doesn't really affect the good companies, right? So that's that. In my Discord, we've covered many companies so far that are higher than what they were 6, 7, 10 months ago. All right, Discord. Now that I mention it, let's look at some things. Update on Discord. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. By joining it, you have access to what I buy and sell live. You also have access to what else? 900 traders, which I think there's nothing better than to trade with or to have access to speak and talk and chat and share information and ideas with a ton of other traders, right? Because if we all put our minds together, we do better. That's just my opinion. All right, so NCLH has said that I bought it at 1474, which is something I had pre-announced. It was on May 30th, 1474. It's at 1555 right now as I'm doing the video, so awesome on that. So that's pretty cool. Where else? HPE, we're doing well on that. We're almost there. I bought it at 1561. Other people bought it lower than me, so but no worries. It's a long-term thing. It's awesome, and I have no worries about that. On yesterday, ticker symbol CD at 513, and I announced in pre-market that it is a buy. Obviously, for me, you don't have to copy me. Then I announced that I sold it at 550, and guess what? Today it went over $6, 610. So that's pretty cool. I got out 550. That's okay. Could have held longer. VCIG today at 275 actually. I alerted this before pre-market had even opened. Don't worry about the times here that you see that says 11:38 a.m. and so on. That's Greek time. If you go 7-8 hours back, that's the time in the U.S. But I actually alerted about this pre-market, and it was at 275 that it had closed the previous day. Then it opened in pre-market. It opened at 286. And it went all the way up to $4. So there was plenty of time. Yeah, and I also made a YouTube video about it before pre-market opened. So there was plenty of time. People could have seen ticker symbol VCIG, thought about it if they wanted to get in and so on. Huge gains on that. And GP, ticker symbol GP, another day trade today at 235. I sold it at 246, guys. And then it went to 259. That's okay. I'm still happy. Like everything is just awesome. Also, guys, now watch, check this out. It says here 3:58 p.m. Like I said, that's Greek time for me that the Discord shows. It was at 8:58 a.m. in the morning actually that one of the members, Auntie, told about the UCAR. She typed a ticker symbol UCAR in the eyes, and we know in my Discord that we type a ticker symbol and the eyes. The eye emoji, let's say, that we know that that's something we need to look at immediately. All right, so and then right away, low float line followed with a screenshot of what's going on and why UCAR should go up. Lots of eyes, lots of thumbs up, and then we start talking. The Discord members start talking about it and saying that I'm going to get in and so on, and that did amazing because it opened at $5 or less than that today, and it went to 960 as I'm doing the video, right? Stunning. I mean, today, and the Discord has been on fire. All year long, the Discord is on fire because a lot of the stock picks, at least that I have made, are going to turn out green before this year ends. And also the other traders who are in my Discord are doing amazing. So yeah, if you want to join us, like I said, the link will be in the comment section below. All right, guys, the stock I want to talk about in this video is Rockwell Medical Inc. And I think that this one is going to do amazing within the next 6 months. This is just my opinion. So Rockwell Medical Inc., together with its subsidiaries, operates as a biopharmaceutical company that targets end-stage renal disease and chronic kidney disease with therapies and products for the treatment of iron deficiency and hemodialysis in the United States. Internationally, I'll specifically look at hemodialysis, for example, in this video. The company offers Triferic, if I pronounce it right. In fact, I have actually done a video about Rockwell Medical Incorporation long ago, but they offer triferic dialysate, if I pronounce it right, which is an iron therapy that replaces iron and maintains hemoglobin in dialysis patients without increasing iron stores. The stock is trading at $3.66 as I'm doing the video. This is today's movement that the stock has done for today. Market cap is at 51.8, so it's a small company, right? Revenue 76.3 million was the last revenue, which I believe was for 2022. Rockwell Medical announces global expansion into the United Arab Emirates 1 month ago, and Rockwell Medical partner Jogsan Pharmaceuticals submits market authorization application in Turkey. That was last month. The reason is this, that they have their product Triferic already working and running in South Korea, the dialysis, and then the other one is the ANVU. So both of those are running in South Korea, and they're making money off of that. But they submitted now, as you can see, submitted here. They submitted for Turkey. Soon they will be submitting for China. And then we have India, Peru, and Chile, right? That's the pipeline. That's the development pipeline. So with each nation that is going to be approved and the commercial use will start, more revenue for the company, and so on. And since this product is something that is a product that works, and it's legit, and it's getting approved in countries so far and so on, and with the future pipeline of more nations that it will be marketed at and so on, this stock, in my opinion, only stands to have the opportunity, a massive opportunity to gain and grow. So Rockwell Medical stock is rated a very strong buy actually by analysts, and I'll show you that in a little bit, due to its growth prospects, its low valuation, solid profitability compared to the sector, and the company focuses on products used in hemodialysis treatment with a large market potential and increasing revenues, because I showed you the pipeline with the nations that they're going to be expanding into. Risks include dilution. Obviously, we have to talk about risk. Could there be dilution? Yes. All pharma stocks are all of them. All small pharma stocks will always have that risk. And the other classic risk is the cash burn rate, which for this company, it's actually not a threat right now, at least the way I see it. The revenue in 2022 was $72.8 million, which is record high revenue. They started in 2014 with 54 and have been increasing it to reach 72.8. And wait until the other nations get into the pipeline, and then you'll see that this company will surpass at some point the $100 million, $120 million, and so on. So I really like the potential of this stock. If we look at net income, it's at negative 18.6, which is still great because it's an increase over the past years, at least over the past 3 to 4 years. So that's good. What else? Operating cash flow is at negative 17.4. The total liabilities are 32.5, right? And the revenue was 72. So that's good. And their debt growth is massively going down. It used to be 28 million, nearly $29 million. Then it went to 16 point. They're reducing their debt also. So this is really good. The company, compared to its sector, has a better profitability valuation right now. They're doing really good. They're expanding. They're going to get into other nations and so on. I like the financials. And the analysts seem to think so also within the next 12 months. They give it a price target of $9 US. Right now it's at 365. So with that being said, that's that Rockwell Medical. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. There's various other ways you can support the channel. You can be a YouTube member with the $1 subscription, which I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to that. Thank you very much, because even though it's $1, it actually does help. It's a monthly $1 subscription that helps support the YouTube channel in order to be able to give me access to various tools and research papers and so on, to be able to try to come up with stocks like this. And I'm not saying that you should buy them, but just to be able to present them, I guess. So that's pretty cool. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for your support. I wish you all the best, and take care.